Hey, seventh graders. So you should have already read and marked the text about sexual and asexual reproduction, and you should have watched the two short videos before you've gotten to this. So if you haven't done that yet, go back and do that. Okay, find the Cornell note sheet that says what is asexual reproduction. And look at these questions here. Where do the genes come from to make offspring? What is so special about the offspring? What are the methods of asexual reproduction? And what type of organisms do asexual reproduction? So you already read about this, and I'm sure you could go through and just write down what the answers are here, but we can follow along. So number one, where do the genes come from? In asexual reproduction, they come from one parent. The parent DNA, and it's one parent. What's so special about the offspring? It happens very fast. So the organism can just be in an environment where it needs to pump out more babies, so it can just happen. It just says, here are all my clones. It's really, really fast. The offspring are genetically identical. Oops. Genetically identical. It's a clone. So the parent and its baby look exactly the same. So they look kind of like twins. And it helps to add to the population. Okay, what are the methods? Cell division, which is mitosis. Budding. And splitting. What type of organisms do this? Bacteria, such as yeast. Sea anemones. Okay, after you have that, I want you to go down and do the summary that's down here. And then we're moving on to the next sheet, genetics, sexual reproduction. Okay, this one. Here we are. Look at the questions. What is the goal of many animals? What two cells come together during sexual reproduction? What's so special about them? What are the methods? How does it even work? How do you get an identical or a unique individual? And what types of organisms do this? So the goal of many animals is to live long enough to pass genes on to their offspring. So their goal is to reproduce. Reproduce. Live long enough to pass genes to their offspring. What two cells come together? The male sex cell is the sperm. The female sex cell is the egg. And you need two parents. So what's so special about this? We're going to put two parents It's genetically unique. Or special. Different. It's a combination of both parents. What are the methods? There are 3. Fertilization, there's internal and external. What types of organisms do this? Animals, plants, pigs, cows, chickens, plants, animals. Most things actually do sexual reproduction. Okay, write a summary on this one, and then you can go ahead and get started on the homework, which is all about this kind of stuff.